powerful website you need to know today. Part 1. Ever clicked apply coupon on Amazon just to see no code found and feel that sting? What if one free site hunted real, working promo codes for you across Walmart, Best Buy, and hundreds more, saving you 50% or better every time? Today, I'll walk you through it step by step on screen, so you can slash your next cart total right now. If you shop online weekly, smash like early and subscribe to Padded Vibes for more money-saving AI tools. Let me know in comments if you're watching or elsewhere. On screen now, type Kuopon.ai into your browser. No sign-up needed, it loads fast with a clean dashboard full of categories. Watch this, scroll down to electronics, see Best Buy deals popping up, or hit fashion for trending sweatshirts like this cozy 2026 hoodie. Notice here, normal Amazon price, $33.99. But click that code, it copies instantly. Head to Amazon, paste it at checkout, and boom, drops to $16.99. That's real savings, verified daily. Let's demo live, searching Walmart groceries. Found a 25% off code for snacks, applies smooth, no fakes. Their AI scans thousands of stores, updates codes in real time so you skip the hunt. Pro move, filter by expires soon to grab hot ones first. On screen, women's shoes section. Nike kicks from $120 to $60 with one tap. What about tech? Jump to Amazon gadgets. Code for wireless earbuds, 40% off. Copy, switch tabs to Amazon, paste, price crashes. Works on phones too for mobile shoppers. Beginner tip, bookmark Kuopon.ai and check before every purchase. Categories cover beauty, home, even groceries. No spam, just legit codes from major brands. Scaling up, want bulk savings? Search Black Friday early, piles of Walmart codes for TVs, 30 to 70% off. Tested this yesterday. Grabbed a blender deal, saved $25 easy. Troubleshoot common issues, code not working? Their site shows success rates, pick 90% plus ones. Or refresh for fresher batches. Bonus hack, combine with cashback apps like Rakuten for double dips, but always verify terms. Real talk, I've cut my monthly shopping bill by hundreds using this. Pause here, test one code yourself. Wrapping up, Kuopon.ai turns annoying code hunts into effortless wins. Your next Amazon haul just got cheaper. Love this? Like, subscribe to Padded Vibes for daily tips, comment your biggest save or where you're from. Drop active if you're trying it today. See you in next video.